everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you pan-fried Atlantic salmon. It's very delicious and very easy to make. I'll be making today pan-fried salmon. How to make it tasty and delicious? These are the ingredients I'm going to use. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, spices from masala dabba, egg, old-fashioned oats. This is frozen Atlantic salmon. So the first step will be we're going to take the ice out. And these are individually vacuum packaged bags. So this is how we have our salmon individually packaged. So we'll place it into the cold water for like a half an hour. Then we'll drain the water and then we'll do the egg wash. Then we'll be doing coating. All-purpose flour and cornstarch. Once we're done with the coating, we'll do the egg wash and then we'll do the oats coating. For frying, we're going to use vegetable oil. And this is how the Atlantic salmon, and these are frozen. Nice size pieces. So this is a 3 pound of Atlantic salmon. Place it in the bowl like this. Add cold water. So after 10 minutes or so, I'll change the water again. I drain the water, I put it on a paper towel, then get another paper towel, just pat it dry like this, make sure there is no excess water. I have 3 eggs, add salt and black pepper. This is to taste. So 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and this is all-purpose flour, which is maida. So that will be like a 2 tablespoons. Black pepper and salt. So we're going to combine it. So this is going to be our coating. We have oats coating. So beat it really well. So once the egg is nicely beaten, this is what I wanted to do. I'm going to get a bigger bowl which has a bigger bottom, and I'll place the beaten egg. With the bigger bowl, the whole reason I'm doing it, because the salmon pieces are very big. So it's good idea you put it in. You give a good bath like this. Then I'm going to turn it over. The fish piece is nicely soaked inside the egg. We're going to lift it up. Then place it in the flour. Put it flour on top of it, turn it over, and this is a nice coating. So look at this. That's a beautiful coating. We give it good wash, just like this. This is a good thing with the bigger ball. You just move around. So once it's nicely coated, then we're going to pull it out, take out the extra egg, place it in the dry flour. So I'm going to keep continuing doing this one. We let it sit for a couple minutes. This is a nice coating. Now I'll place it back into the egg wash. Now this time we don't have to turn it many times, just one time. This is good. This is all we need. Now I'm going to lift it up and we're going to give a nice coating of oats. So I'll take this one, I'll place it right here, and look at this. We just need to make sure that it's nicely coated. So just turn it one more time. So I'll take this one. This is all we need. This is our oats coating. So I'll place it right here. The first step is egg wash, then all-purpose flour. Give a couple minutes, bring it back to egg wash, then immediately do the oats coating. So I'll finish it the same way. Start burner, and we're going to keep the gas on low. Get a fry pan, add vegetable oil. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated. This is non-stick pan, so now we're going to wait until it heats up, and now we will place the fish piece. The salmon is nicely coated, just like this. So place the second piece right here on this side. So on a low gas, we're going to keep cooking. First 3 minutes, we're going to cook it on the bottom side, then we're going to flip them over. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking, and if we see that the color start to change, so now we're going to flip it over. Look at this. Very nice, beautiful color. This is what happens when you cook on a low gas. If you cook on high gas, then it will burn. Look at this. So we're going to make sure that we nicely, slowly turn it, otherwise it will break. So I'm going to flip it over, just like this. Very nice color. Now we're going to cook it on a low gas until it's nicely cooked. Cooking for 2 minutes. Now just very little amount of butter right on top of it. Right in the middle. If you're health conscious, you can skip this part, the butter part. Initially we cooked 3 minutes on this side, now 3 minutes on this side. I'm going to flip it. Look at this. Nice, beautiful texture. So within 6 minutes, our salmon is nicely cooked. So I'm going to turn off the gas. And it's still hot, so we're going to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. I waited for a minute or so. Now I'm going to dish out. Look at this. Very delicious. Very delicious. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, add some lemon juice. Serve with your favorite sauce. Very delicious. Pan-fried Atlantic salmon. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.